Hello everyone, Deo here. I'll be doing the two trending mods which involves polyethylene foam and tape. I will be modding the keyboard that got me into the hobby, which is the Keychron C1, aka the guinea pig. Please ignore my horrible paint job and don't ask me for keyboard painting tips. First thing to do is to remove the top frame. I like to use this plastic tool prier which came in a precision screwdriver kit I bought. You can also use a hard plastic card. To remove the top frame, you just need to unclip it from the bottom case, sliding across the side of the case. As you can see, I don't care if I scratch the paint job since it's horrible. Once you have gotten all of the clips, the top frame should pop out. Next is to unscrew the plate from the bottom case. There are 9 screws in total. Be sure to use the right screw size to avoid stripping the screw. You want a screw that fits the hole and not too loose. Always remember to be organized. I keep my screws in a plastic container. I closed it and shook it for good luck. As you can see, there is foam here. When I got the C1, it sounded hollow and didn't have any case foam. I just cut off a rectangular piece from the packaging foam that came with the C1 inside the box. Next is to cut off a piece of the polyethylene foam which matches the size of the PCB. This will be put between the PCB and the plate. This polyethylene foam was bought from a local manufacturer and stated to have anti-static properties and can be used to ship electronics. This has a thickness of 0.5 millimeters, and you can also use the polyethylene foam that was wrapped around your keyboard case, if it had any. When handling sharp objects, be careful and cut away from you, not towards you. As you can see, I am struggling with cutting a very thin foam, and I swear I have some cutting experience. Once that is done, I check if the foam matches the size of the PCB. Then I realized that the foam wasn't cut straight. Then I made a square cutout for whatever that is on the top left of the PCB. Finally, the tape mod, where you just put tape under the PCB and somehow it changes the acoustics. I just found this masking tape lying around in my room, and as you can see, the adhesive is not that strong. This is ideal if you want to remove the tape without worrying of pulling something else out or adhesive residues on the PCB. If you notice, there is a piece of folded tape below the plate. I use that to keep the polyethylene foam in place. Reassemble the keyboard, and that's pretty much it. Before we compare the sound tests, I would like to give my thoughts on these mods. They are easy mods to do, and it does change the acoustics. The polyethylene foam gives the poppy sound and helps with some hollowness. The tape mod made it sound fuller and less dull. Those are just my opinions based off from my subjective hearing. Remember to take the sound test with a grain of salt, as a lot of factors can affect them.